You think your dog follows you everywhere just because he loves you? But that's not the full story. And the real reason might hit you right in the heart. Hey, if your dog is stuck to you like glue from room to room, you're not imagining it. He's not just clingy, he's not bored. And most owners completely miss what he's really trying to say. Most owners don't catch it until the chewed couch and non-stop barking starts. But flip it around and it gets beautiful. That same behavior is actually proof of how safe you make him feel. Your presence is his emotional anchor. Dogs actually sync their heart rates with ours. So when he follows you into the laundry room for the 10th time, he's being your emotional mirror. Now here's the part that hits hardest. Some dogs follow because they're scared something bad will happen if they don't. Others follow because they've decided, with their whole heart, that you are the best thing that ever happened to them. You can tell the difference in his body. An anxious dog looks tight and worried. A dog following out of pure love? He's relaxed, tail soft, and sometimes just flops down with a happy sigh. If that's your dog right now, listen close. You didn't just get a pet, you got chosen. First, when he follows you, acknowledge it. Say his name softly and tell him, "Good boy, I'm right here." That tiny validation calms his whole nervous system. Second, give him one special spot near you in every room. It tells his brain, this is our safe zone together. Third, build tiny moments of confidence. Leave the room for 10 seconds, then come back. Come back with a treat and calm praise. You're teaching him you always come back. That, right there, is the secret your dog has been trying to tell you all along. He doesn't follow you because he's needy.
He follows you because in his world you are home. You are safety. You are love with legs.
So the next time he pads behind you down the hallway, don't roll your eyes. Smile, because that little shadow is the most honest "I love you" you'll ever receive. Your dog isn't just behaving, he's communicating. And now, you finally heard him. If this is hitting you right now, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It helps more dogs get this message. Drop a comment with your dog's name and the word shadow, so I know you're part of this pack too. I'll see you in the next one, where we talk about what it really means when your dog brings you every single toy he owns. So the next time he pads behind you down the hallway, don't roll your eyes. Smile. Because that little shadow is the most honest "I love you" you'll ever receive. Your dog isn't just behaving, he's communicating. And now, you finally heard him. Drop a comment with your dog's name and the word shadow, so I know you're part of this pack too. I'll see you in the next one, where we talk about what it really means when your dog brings you every single toy he owns. Until then, keep listening. They're saying more than you think. Your dog isn't just behaving, he's communicating. And now, you finally heard him.